What is going on, you beautiful people? We are here today to do another case study, okay? I know you motherfuckers are not doing your homework. I know. I just know because guess what? I'm that good. I can read you. I can see you. You think that you're watching a YouTube video, blah, blah, blah. You're behind the screen. No. I'm staring in your soul. I'm talking to you. You don't do your fucking homework. And it's fine. I know. No one likes homework. But that's why we're here to do it for you, okay? Look at the store. Look at the store. I found it. I found it for you guys. I found it. I didn't mean to go on the homepage. All right. Let's look at Paint by Scratch. What is this product? This product is unique. This product is like, whoa, I never thought about it, Julian. It's not your classic hair serum. It's not your classic skin serum. It's none of that. But guess what? Let's take a guess, right? Let's take a guess. Actually, my track shops. I think I already tracked it. I didn't? Did I not? Oh, yeah. Here it is. Scratch paint kits. Would you look at that? I'm obviously using Shop Hunter. Shop Hunter is pretty good. It's pretty easy to use and obviously gives you an average, an estimate on what the person is making per month, per day, per week, and the products they're selling. If you want, check it out, the link below. It's such a great tool. You need it. You need to have a proven concept that this product works. And Shop Hunter is one of the better options for you to do that. So basically, if you go on Shop Hunter, of course, you see that they're printing. Look, almost 5K a day, almost 60K a week, and absolutely printing, right? And what is this product? Well, look, I found it on FutureLib, which is also with Shop Hunter, BTW. And look, I don't want to, can I? Yeah, I have the audio muted. So let's look at a video, right? So basically what it is that it's like this canvas that comes all black, and the color is underneath the black, but you scratch it off with like this pen, right? It doesn't draw anything, but you just scratch it off, and it ends up being like a beautiful, like, are you gonna show like the after results? Nope. All right, I'll go screw myself. Let's see this one. So clearly, it's set up as like a date activity or girls' night out, girls' night in, and it's an indoor activity, right? Look how beautiful that is, right? It's a beautiful idea of a product. And let me explain why. Because it's like the perceived value is actually there. It's like kind of like a unique idea on like for people to spend time with each other, right? And what's very important to humans, right? You have to understand human desires is like connection, relationships. So you can target this in so many different ways, from grandparents chilling with their kids, or couples, or girls' night in, whatever it may be. I think the winning audience is girls' night in. What you could do literally is take this exact product and try to test another audience, try to see another, group of people that would benefit from this product, right? And literally just copy paste it, right? You got to make sure though that they don't have like any copywriting on it, just to make sure. But like also look at their pricing. So you have one, you can buy for 35, right? But you buy 2, buy 5, buy 8, and look, people can end up spending way over $100. And what I really like about this business, they're not offering, right, a premium frame. It makes sense. Nice upsell. That's actually a really good upsell. What you could start doing is having a monthly subscription, because these things are, once you scratch it off, it's done, right? So if you want to keep doing this every month, you can offer a monthly subscription, and that makes the business so freaking valuable, right? We're going to go on Facebook, right? And we're going to see their ads on Facebook. Let's see like the difference between FutureLib and Facebook. Facebook is all right. Facebook is being a bit buggy. Hello. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Thank you for being so kind. They have 24 ads running, which is not a lot, and they're printing as well, right? They got a few images, right? I'm trying to look at their copywriting. Obviously, they have Black Friday sale, blah blah blah, Black Friday sale. Who knew self-care would be so colorful? Free carbon neutral shipping. Okay. You see, you can do better. Like, why have that as the primary text? Like, that's not the reason why people would buy, right? Like, what is this? Free carbon. You can have that option. Obviously, I have that option in my store. But, like, to have it on a primary text. And, like, the first bullet point even. Damn. We're obsessed with this new hobby. Yeah, unique girls' night experience. Yeah, self-care. Oh, relieve stress and it's such a good product. I'm actually debating on fucking running this shit myself. I'm not even joking. If I didn't have a store printing for me, I'd run. I'm not even kidding. It's on my product list. It's actually one of the products in the Discord that I have. Check the link down below. But you know what I mean. Like, and I've already told like all the people in the Discord like. The product list I have in the Discord are products that I consider on running. I'm not even joking. That's why like there's not many, but you know they're high quality. Bro, this is insane. You can see on FutureLib though. FutureLib, they say they have 19. So they have 19. They have 185 variants. That's the only issue with this business is that there are a shit ton of variants. Like, that's going to be a lot. That's going to be a lot of SKUs. So, like, that's a little bit of an issue. But you can see, like, look at the duplicates. 2,024 duplicates. You know that ad is printing. So, if you were to ever run this product, you'd obviously look at this ad and try to replicate it. Try to literally replicate it. Like, look, it clearly is printing. You see, these are the things that we got to look at. But look. FutureLib really tells us that. That's a good feature that FutureLib has. But look, this is a really good thing. And now let me check mega bundles. See, there's a lot of options. That's the only thing that I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like. But they have, like, look, bro, people are spending over $150 on these things. And they're probably going to come back because once they're done and they really liked it, they're going to buy more. They can buy it as a gift. It's a really good idea. Again, the only thing is the SKUs. But look, when you're now, if you're ever going to test this, right, you don't have to start with that many SKUs, to be honest. And you can find ways probably to manage the SKUs, but it's a really good product. You should definitely consider this. Take a look. Or if you're not going to run this product, you know, I don't suggest you to because like, it's on a YouTube video, so you're not the only one seeing it. But basically, like, again, just try to understand, like, the idea, the concept. Why is this product doing well? Like, clearly, again, I have to show you the numbers. It's probably a bit less, fine. Probably like 150. But even if it's 150, that's still bank. That's still bank a month. A month. Easy money. So try to understand why it worked and try to implement it in your own business. And I guarantee you, this is the homework that you should be doing. You should be doing. But I've done it for you. So here's one more example of a case study. Case studies are very important. So here's another one for you. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it valuable. If you want to I'm tired. I hate having no edits. If you want to have all the resources needed to print money, or you just want a community that you can maybe find partners, you can vibe with, learn with, connect with, check the Discord down below. And of course, as always, I love you all, and I'll see you at the top.